Hey. Here we are, all right. Maybe put a sign up in the front of this place.
I will do that just for you, okay?
Just for me, just for everybody.
Jordan and Allison may regret this, but I am asking them to do the biggest cabin. I need so much help there. And this is gonna get really interesting because Jordan's very busy with his life and Allison has a full-time job.
All right, what do you got me doing?
So this is one of our biggest cabins. Oh, I swear I shut this door last night.
Someone in here? Hello?
Somebody's been in here.
What the hell?
Oh my God.
Squatters, dude. Wow. I think someone lives here, man. I feel like a cop.
It's empty, no squatters in here.
Oof.
It smells, right?
It smells bad. Golly.
So this one has 2 bedrooms. It has this huge bedroom here. It has this tiny bedroom here. Bathroom.
You should make this a family cabin.
It's really nice when somebody can come to you and help you narrow down what is the selling point, who are we marketing to. Jordan already owns a business, so he thinks of this stuff automatically.
It feels a little more luxurious, kind of like glamping. If there were going to be more glamping, I would think you might want to put a shower in the bathroom.
So my other dilemma, too, is, like, these are just plywood cabinets. They kind of have that, like, cabin charm.
Yeah.
But kitchen definitely has to come out.
You mean come out like...
Like just a new kitchen.
Just don't spend too much money.
Hey, welcome to the yard sale.
This is all the work that we've done.
I have to say, I love the wood. I think the airiness, having no ceiling, is much better.
Yeah, it just felt really closed in. And then taking the ceiling out, it makes it feel more cabiny.
Yes, I agree. And a fireplace?
Nostalgia.
Yes. Oh my goodness. I mean, this is teeny tiny.
I think bunk beds are essential.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Gotta be like a tour bus in here.
Yeah.
Stack them up.
Since we have the vaulted ceilings, let's do a loft. We could do a loft with like 3 beds and a staircase with another bed under the stairs, and that could be used as a bed and a sitting space. Thoughts on the bathroom?
Shower.
Shower.
I think a shower would be cool.
Didn't we pass 2 shower houses?
Yeah. Outside showers.
Community showers.
And are you okay with that?
I'm okay with it.
None of these cabins have showers.
Yeah.
If you're a family, you hear the kids need to take a shower, you gotta walk through the woods, get attacked by mosquitoes.
Yeah.
Share a shower with all the other campers.
Waiting in line.
Yeah, I know.
With strangers,
That's part of it. People camp in campgrounds in the fall and still use the community showers.
See that?
And they're not paying $400 a night.
Would you pay extra to have a shower? I know I would.
I would.
I'm gonna have to really think this through, figure out some numbers of what it's gonna cost to put a shower in here.
For the nonsense. There's only one life, gotta live it with passion. And time don't stop, so you better take action. And there'll be plenty of time for relaxing. For now, you gotta follow your passion.
Hey. I called you guys up today because we really need to start narrowing down the design of your cabin.
Let's do it.
You guys had talked about a more retro feel.
Yeah, this is cool.
Nostalgia.
Yes.
You can do some plaid pillows or
Yep.
plaid curtains. I like either this or this.
The green one.
The green one?
Yep.
dinner bell. This is awesome. Hold on. I got a new Merce, everyone.
You're gonna model it.
I got a new Merce.
All right. That's exactly.
this one?
Yes,
Okay.
this one.
Yeah.
That's the colors.
So we still have a lot more to decide than just color. We have to talk about cabinets, we have to talk about flooring, we have to talk about how you guys want the bathroom to feel. So for flooring, I know you like the idea of vinyl flooring, like throughout the cabin.
Like old school vinyl flooring.
Yeah, like it has a retro feel. So I found this vinyl composition tile that is, to me, it feels very retro.
Yeah.
And it comes in hundreds of colors.
Let's put it on the
Yeah.
floor and just like figure out like.
See what it might look like. It's a little tough to tell with.
Yeah, with the little samples. I know.
This is smallest samples on planet Earth. Which one do you want?
Yeah, I know.
This one?
Yeah, where's the
You
magnifying
want
glass?
that one? What about this color?
Come on, I tried.
Just get a bunch of different colors in a bigger size.
We can snap some pictures. Okay, for the family cabin, you guys are liking the vintage colors, yellows, greens, reds, maybe navy. Let's do vinyl flooring, maybe add some color. We'll do a really cool vintage pattern tile in the bathroom. And we'll figure out the shower once Scott gets me the price of adding it. And I think maybe we keep the wood paneling.
There's too many decisions. I can't turn. This is too much. It's this nail gun, man.
Okay, we just broke the plywood.
Oh, no. See? That's what happens when you put me to work.
You know what? This will work because
Damages.
I can cover it. I can cover it. All right, let's start over. Back to square one.
Okay. Oh, boy. Watch the fingers. Push it, push it.
Here, gimme.
Yeah! Quick draw McGraw over here.
We got it.
This looks really good. I mean, this thing has transformed so much. I wonder what the owners would think if they walked in here and saw all the changes you did.
Yeah.
They would probably be like, we don't even recognize the place.
We found out that the grandson of the original owner still lives close by, and we're trying to coordinate to get him over here to see the place.
Oh, cool. It's looking amazing. He's gonna be surprised.
This is how we do it every day. We be grinding, and if you ask me, we the best summer be alive. Yo, that's us with the crazy flow.
To give this family cabin a unique and retro touch, I'm cutting out evergreen trees for the railing of the stairs. The floors are gonna feel really retro too. Now, if I can only get my brother and sister to make a decision on color, we really need to lock down a flooring decision.
I have some samples.
Do we wanna go that bold?
Too bold. I like the greens.
Yep.
It's a more subdued red, which I
Right.
think would also work.
I have got to lock this down. We can't keep not deciding. There's a lot of decisions to be made, and they can be very overwhelming if you let them. Decisions need to be made faster, and I need to make a decision.
What are you gonna do for flooring out in the porch?
Ain't no shame of style on 'em. Ain't no shame of style on 'em.
I really believe that the brighter colors Jordan and Allison wanted were just gonna be too much.
Ain't no
So I toned it down a bit, and I may have made a few other decisions without them as well.
You know that I'm gon' shine on it. I'm gon' shine on it.
Oh my God!
Hello. Welcome to the family cabin.
This is a preview of what's to come.
That's right.
I love the color of it. It's cheery, it blends into nature. I love the pop of yellow for the door.
Are you guys ready to see inside?
Yeah.
All right.
All right, but first I think you guys need to take off these costumes. All right. Come on in. So all in favor of the floor, please raise their hand.
In favor of it?
Allison's
We'll do a floor in another cabin.
There you go.
We will. So you guys ready to see the bedroom?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, this
look
is
at
cute. This screams camp
Yes.
to me.
Before there was this picture window, you couldn't even see the lake from in the bedroom. These two windows that you see at the front are original windows. We were able to give that $1 million view.
Good job.
Something that I'm pretty proud of is the bathroom.
Oh, wow. It's whimsical.
Oh, this looks so cool now.
So the bathroom was really small. It just had the toilet and the vanity.
Right.
So by adding the shower, we needed a spot for the toilet. So we actually stole some space from the bedroom behind you so that we could get the toilet behind the door.
That was a great idea.
I think it's really cute. I really do.
Off to the kids' corner, folks. Let's go.
Oh, this is a fun room.
It's a Harley-sized bed.
Hey, you watch it! You're talking about my husband.
This is my space.
Well, you know, when you have a bunch of kids, you gotta put them wherever you can find a spot to put them.
It feels like a tree house.
Kids are gonna love this, but they're really gonna love upstairs.
The tree house.
Let's check it
Oh,
out.
the treehouse.
Come on, maybe we call this the tree house. Well, welcome.
How cute is this?
Welcome to our hideaway.
Okay, you're right. This is more fun. Even more fun up here.
This is probably one of the most ingenious ways of inventing more space, especially for children. I mean, this is like their own little fort up here.
Yeah.
We have 5 adults, so that means at least 10 kids can be up here.
Hey, where is everybody?
Everybody hide.
Where are you all? Oh, you naughty children.
Well,
I'm having a major,
turned into a bear.
I'm having a major flashback here.
Down
Down the stairs. Down the stairs.
This cabin, really, it was a hard one for me, and just because I didn't really kind of have the full-on vision of how this would turn out.
Yeah.
And this actually is probably my favorite cabin now. I love it.
You know what I love? Just being here with my kids. I think it's amazing that all of these years, you know, so many families, they move to different continents, or, you know, they move all over the place, and they don't see each other very often.
Yeah.
And we see each other so often. We're so grounded with each other. It just brought us even closer together. And I just love that, and I love all of you so much.
group hug.
Group hug.
Family sure is the greatest. The family cottage.
Exactly. Very well named.
All right, we laughed, we cried. Now let's go outside and have some fun.
Oh,
Horseshoes.
nice.
The family fun spot. Oh gosh, I haven't played horseshoes in
horseshoes.
years.
So the whole idea of this was to really take advantage of this huge yard. So we've installed some horseshoe pits. We got a sailboat available, cornhole over here. And I just think it's gonna, you know, create a lot of fun family memories here.
I can see it all happening.
Just don't hit me in the head with one of them horseshoes.
You better watch out then.
Watch out.
Oh.
No way.
Oh,
Not bad.
wrong game. Oh my God, you take out your mom.
Out on your very own mother.
Nice.
Oh, she got it. First try, she got it.
Very first time doing a cornhole thing. Woo!